The presence and establishment of the physics study program of UNNES is an inseparable part of Indonesia's effort to accelerate the improvement of quality of human resources in mastering advanced science and technology.
UNNES Physics Study Program has the mandate to graduate in the field of physics with competitive knowledge and skills, able to contribute to building the nation and able to compete with graduates in the field of physics from various leading universities, national and international levels. Driven by one of the pillars of UNNES vision to become an international standard university, the physics study program is faced with various challenges, including first, the rapid development of physics, which has touched various aspects of life. Second, the suitability of the curriculum to the needs of stakeholders, as well as third, diversification and specialization of graduates due to many special markets that have not been able to absorb graduates. The challenge was answered by the physics study program by initiating two strategic policies. First, changing the orientation of curriculum from learning objectives that are oriented to learning outcomes. Second, adding two strategic courses that further ensure the achievement of 21st century skills: critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication, namely method research science and scientific communication.
And the method research science courses, lecturer provide students with experimental and theoretical physics research method. For experimental physics research, students are guided to be more sensitive to the physical condition around their homes to explore problems that will later be used as problem to solve by research activities.
Students are directed to formulate hypotheses and conduct a literature review on research related to the topic and problem formulation. Through literature review activities, students are guided to design an experimental research operational to be more visible and minimize the failure in the process. In data collection, students are monitored and guided to collect appropriate data to answer the problem. We provided analytical tools, those are probability distribution material, uncertainty theory, graphs in physics, regression analysis, and data fitting.
For the scientific communication course, it is also refers to improving 21st century skills, namely critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication, which is implemented in learning through journal analysis activities, reviewing and drafting of articles, seminar committees, and presentation.
Journal analysis activities carried out by students are in the form of the reviewing journal containing topics similar to the student research in the previous course, namely method research science. It is intended to improve student critical thinking skills in finding problems that still exist in the references so that students can find research gap in the conducted research. Thus, it will be very helpful in the process of drafting the article. The review stage, carried out by peer and lecturers, is also performed during the process of drafting the article. At this stage, student fellow provide input on the writing while the lecturer provides suggestion and comment regarding the flow of the thinking in compiling the part of the article. In the review process, student creativity is boiled in the assembling sentences from the result of the previous journal analysis. For the collaboration skill, students are trained to work together with fellow students, lecturer, and guest speakers in Seminar Nasional Mahasiswa Fisika as the outcome of the course. Students collaborate with fellow students in organizing seminar activities as the committee as well as the speakers. In terms of the collaboration with lecturer, students discuss how to perform presentation in a good manner. In addition, students cooperate with scientists who become guest speakers in the seminars, both from the Indonesia and other countries.
Students will possess two communication skills. Those are written and oral from the scientific communication course. The written skills can be seen from the articles produced by students, which will be published in national proceedings and journals. Meanwhile, the oral one can be observed from students' performance during presentations at parallel session of Seminar Nasional Mahasiswa Fisika activities, which uses English and Bahasa for delivering the paper.
The sustainable of method research science and scientific communication course is highly dependent on laboratory support. As the head of the laboratory, I am obliged to provide facilities that support academic activities, including serving research activities in completing projects. Most of the time, student activities are carried out in the laboratory from preparation to sample characterization process. During the research, students are accompanied by technicians and supervising lecturers. Thus, the skill collaboration are communication and also trade.
Through these two courses, it has been proven to speed up student study time and improve 21st century skills. We care that we must deliver our graduates not only to be able to compete at the international level, but able to make a difference in the international world.